Choosing a property management company is about more than collecting rent or handling paperwork. For property owners, it's about trust, knowing that your investment is being protected properly even when you're not there to oversee it yourself. A property manager does far more than manage tenants. They're responsible for protecting the condition of the property, handling communication, coordinating repairs, and responding to problems before they become expensive issues. That's why reliability and consistency matter so much to property owners over the long term. One of the biggest frustrations property owners face is poor communication. Calls go unanswered, emails take too long, and owners are often left wondering what's happening with their own property. Over time, that uncertainty creates stress and makes even small issues feel larger than they are. One of the most consistent themes in Ryconn Property Management's client feedback is responsiveness. Clients frequently mention quick replies, regular communication, and fast follow-ups when concerns arise. For property owners, this means fewer surprises, faster decisions, and greater confidence that issues are being handled before they escalate. Strong communication doesn't just improve convenience, it creates trust. For most owners, a rental property is one of their largest financial investments. That's why protecting the property matters just as much as collecting income from it. Client feedback repeatedly highlights Ryconn's focus on protecting long-term property value through preventative maintenance, responsible management, and proactive decision-making. This approach helps reduce long-term repair costs while preserving the condition of the property over time. Maintenance is often where property management relationships begin to fail. When repairs are delayed, small issues can quickly become larger and more expensive problems. Delayed maintenance also affects tenant satisfaction, increasing the risk of complaints, turnover, and vacancy. According to client experiences, Ryconn is frequently recognized for handling maintenance requests quickly and efficiently, while keeping both owners and tenants informed throughout the process. When maintenance and communication are handled properly, tenants are more likely to stay longer. Long-term tenants create more stability for property owners by reducing vacancy periods and turnover costs. A strong property management company doesn't just respond to issues. It helps create a smoother overall experience for everyone involved. Anyone can provide decent service for a short period of time, but one of the clearest signs of consistency is whether clients continue working with the same company year after year. Many Ryconn clients mention relationships lasting 5 years, 10 years, or longer. That type of longevity usually points to reliability, consistency, and trust built over time. When you simplify everything down, most property owners are looking for the same outcomes. They want clear communication, reliable maintenance handling, protection of their investment, and fewer day-to-day problems to manage themselves. Based on client feedback, these are the areas where Ryconn Property Management continues to stand out. For property owners considering a management company, asking the right questions is critical. How quickly do they respond? How do they handle maintenance? How do they communicate problems? And what systems are in place to protect the property long-term? The answers to these questions often reveal far more than pricing or marketing promises ever will. Every property management company claims to provide great service, but the real difference becomes clear after months or years of working together. The best property management experience comes from working with a company that communicates clearly, responds consistently, and treats your investment like it truly matters. Call 866-9608-797 today to learn how Ryconn Property Management can help protect your property and simplify ownership with reliable long-term support.